going for a quick ride.
Can you give me some milk?
You want milk? Alright,
Yep.
No worries. Love ya.
Love you.
Motorbike festival. You ripper. Let's go. Well, we're at the Spoke Motorbike Festival. Lots of racing. So the boys were down here. A couple of guys I work with were down here yesterday, racing in the Enduro, and finished. Where'd you finish?
We finished up third, hopefully, in the end.
Third.
We've still got to see results, but supposedly we're in third.
And who'd you beat?
Oh, well, you know, we got up on Dan and Jordan Voss, so what more can we want than that?
So I work with Jordan, but I also work with Mackie. Here's Mackie. And Mackie is Jordan's cousin, and you're pretty happy about handing him a flogging, aren't you?
It feels good.
Huh?
Nothing tastes as good as winning feels.
There you go. There you go. So,
Good turnout here. There's like 40 riders out there, so very good day.
and where'd you finish? Third.
Third, I think, yeah.
Right.
Me and Rightly partnered up there, so
Yep. Cool. All
get
right.
out there for the next race.
Better let you go. So, boys have got their bikes here. That's Mackie's bike. Boys are it's a pretty good setup. Lots of caravans, 2 strokes, YZ, another cousin. He's getting ready for the slalom. Oh. So yeah, Spoke Motorbike Festival, Swansea, great setup. I'll go for a wander and show you some of the trade stuff later. There's actually a couple of big teepees right on the edge of the water. Don't know if you can see that, but wouldn't be 100 metres from the water. But the slalom track's up the top. We'll go for a walk up there. Got to be happy with that. See if we can interview Jordan, see what he's got to say about yesterday's Enduro. Don't think he's happy. And well,
Mackie's been upsetting me all weekend.
So what happened
not good.
yesterday with the Enduro?
Look,
Do you want to tell me about why Mackie beat you?
I spent most of the day holding him up in the tight stuff in the bush, and then he got round me when he got to the open section, and he was gone. And I didn't have it.
Couldn't do
He
it.
just got it over me.
So the young fella's kicked your butt.
The young pup came through on Daddy's bike.
Me and you need to have it out on here.
Huh?
I got knocked out. I'm not even in still.
Neither. I had to verse Todd.
Right, well that's it. Jordan's not happy with Mackie. Got to get some revenge later today, mate.
He'll be working under the floor all week next week.
That's it. That's it. He's doing. He's in ceilings and under floors.
Gave it away. Did you lose? No, you gave it away.
Ah, I did. Look, we got Bobby.
Oh, yeah.
to try and block the outside line, and then I come on the brakes and stalled it.
I did notice that.
I was like,
You can't see it on the camera, but I thought, what's happened there?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Trying to get back
bugger, you're out. Is Mackie still in?
Yeah, I think Mac is still in.
Yeah, cool. This is really good. Yeah, great fun. And that was your brother that kicked your ass
Yeah,
then?
that was brother. Yeah. On an 09 bike.
On an 09 bike. Oh, Jordan. All right, that's cool. I'm going to go for a wander over here. Hopefully Mackie does all right then.
We get it.
Plenty of dust.
It's good how casual it is out here.
Yeah.
Nice that everyone's super cruise.
Yeah.
Makes it fun.
I'm glad I come.
Good stuff. Memory.
Some really cool helmets there. That's cool. We have some teepees. How cool are these? I love a good teepee. These are cool. It's obviously where they have the band. Pretty good setup. And a good old strength tester. There goes Jordan. Got him easy. Boys having a crack. So we've got Jordan over the far side on the adventure bike, the 1090 adventure bike. Should be interesting. Up against his brother, I believe. Not sure, but I think he lost. Here goes Mackie, far side. Got a Mackie's won it. This is just a drag race. Here goes Jordan again, closest to me. Jordan closest to me on the adventure bike. Oh, he's in some trouble. Oh, he's gone, he's out. Now we've got Mackie on the far side. Maxter on the far side. Jordan's out. He won his first heat. Go Mackie, he's got him. Mackie's through.
But Riley got me around the hole on that one.
Yeah, he was hammering. The motocross bikes are light.
Yeah.
Just
That one, this starts squirming a little bit, and it's like.
showed a new tyre.
Yeah, you pull. It doesn't feel dangerous dropping this second. Like it could grip more, but the tyre is pretty hard. I let it bit out. I probably should have dropped it a lot more.
It's got Matt's 40 in it.
I think we should turbo it.
Okay, probably right.
That's the G6. That's the G6R's one. Daniel's got a turbo for it. You don't look too much.
Nah. It does.
Did you find anything wrong with it?
That runs well. Yeah, the whole way through the rev range.
I did that skin.
You happy with her?
Very happy with it.
Hey, that was good that first heat, you flogged him.
We tried the Harley Davidson.
Yeah.
That was good.
Yeah.
It's been a big rock up on the track, and I think it put him off.
Oh no.
It's pretty squirmy.
There's a bit of weight in that, mate.
Yeah, it's a big
There's a
bike.
bit of weight in
Big
that.
bike.
I was about to say how much is in that. No guards over there. Oh no, there is.
Is it?
Yeah, there is. Good. Yeah, I was like, wow, that looks good. Yeah, that's what I thought.
Oh, okay, it's right now.
Okay, I was like, your clutch will be non-existent.
You happy with the rider, guys?
Happy with the bike, mate.
This one got a
Can't
revive
complain.
box.
What about the rider?
The rider, yeah, no, he did his best, what he had.
Did his best. So this gentleman here has got a great channel. It's Bobby McBoost.
It is.
Make sure you look it up.
Have a
I've
watch.
already subscribed.
Appreciate that.
I'll try and put a link in. Be the first one I've ever done. I will try.
Bikes, I do cars and everything else.
Yeah.
Had a good day on the Enduro yesterday, and I'm pretty well at it for the rest of the weekend. But that's all right.
Where'd you finish?
First, actually,
Hey.
with Matt. So, yeah,
Okay.
we did well. We did well.
Hey, Mackie's absolutely rapt that he beat Jordan.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, they
So-
come in third, Jordan come in fourth. Yeah. Yeah.
Mackie will be in under floors and in roofs because technically
Yes.
Jordan's his boss.
Yeah, exactly.
So I'm looking forward to that because I'm the storm and I don't have to do any of it. So no, she's awesome. I'm loving this. This is
Yeah,
great.
good
So
event. Great
yeah,
event.
yeah. So Spoke Motorbike Festival people, get down here.
Get around it. Lovely. It's a good turnout.
You know the worst thing?
What's that?
I'm going to have to get a bike to go in it next year.
Yeah,
'cause
you don't have one?
I've only got the adventure bike.
Yeah, right. This is an adventure bike, and he's in
alright.
it.
Yeah, mine's a 390. So
Yeah, okay, not the same.
no. She's a lot lighter, which is good. But
Yeah, this is heavy, but it's so balanced. I couldn't believe it.
Yeah.
Riding that thing feels great.
yeah. Well, this is awesome. What an awesome turnout. Look at the people. How many people do you reckon here?
Oh, yeah, I don't know. Nah, I genuinely don't know. There'd be 1,000.
Have to be. Have to be. All right, so remember, Bobby McBoost, get on it. You're out, mate. What happened? Talk me through it. What happened? Eh?
The bike.
The bike again.
Yep, it's the bike. It's always the bike.
It's always
never
the
the right.
bike. You kicked that guy's butt in the first one.
She perked up a bit on the front.
It did.
Had to
It
let
did.
her off.
Yeah, cool.
Too much horsepower.
Yeah, awesome. Well done. You're doing well. It's great fun. Love it. Really glad I came. Yeah, got a bit of and the True Arc sponsorship. Good work.
Oh, they pulled in before.
Oh.
They pulled in before.
Hope he's alright. That bike's a bit of a mess, but we hope he's alright. How'd you go in that?
That was alright. We got up.
You got up?
We got up.
Right, you won.
Poor old 250. She's out of her depth with the 450s, but we got there.
Oh,
She got off the line quick.
okay. So you won everything?
I won the sprints outright, and I was second in the sleigh.
Nice.
On Matty.
You're
That's
cranking,
all right.
mate.
We've got to wound up.
Hey?
Let's go to the grass track in Gymkhana and see what we can do.
Cool. Nice work. That was pretty spectacular, that crash, wasn't it?
That was pretty hectic.
Oh,
I think
man.
our mate could be a bit sore,
I
but
think he's in a world of hurt. He's up. I can see feet. He's up.
yeah,
They're putting him in the ambulance.
Crash though, wasn't she?
Oh,
Flipping
man.
and all.
I did have this on it. Whether I can zoom in enough,
Yeah, time will
see.
tell.
We'll see.
That because it's a marquee.
So what do we got here, gentlemen? Talk to me. What's the bike first up?
Well, this is a 2013 model. It started
don't know
life
if
off
that's
as a
meant to
GSR 750.
Just
They're a naked version of the GSXR.
Yep.
And some bogan got his filthy hands on it and put a WR 450 front end in it. And it's a really nice bike.
and what's
It's got an
happened?
adventure tyre. Daniel got the chain off and it went through the water pump, which has then in turn pulled a heap of bolts out, and now we've got oil and coolant coming out.
Oh dear.
So-
I've got metal, Paddy.
He's trying to fix it, and I think that's very important. It does spin then?
Yep,
Yeah,
there you go.
moved.
Do you want a bigger hammer, like something?
Yeah, sort of.
No, it's sparky.
Oh. We might have more issues.
You saw that, didn't you? Might come
That
off.
might come. No, it won't with the impeller, would it? Oh, it's an O-ring.
That's easy fix.
Let's get
That's
easier.
why it's bolted in the case though. So
That's why
here's
the
where our
case is
problems
there.
start.
Just get one
It's
of
had
them.
to spin out of the case. So that's all coolant right there.
Are we going to be able to MacGyver it, guys? That's the big
Always.
question. Always?
There.
I like your attitude.
Well, he's been using a hammer more than I expected.
Hey Dan, it spun itself out of the case and
it-
broke the top out.
Is there any thread in this one that's still?
Definitely.
Yep. Well,
How much do you want?
All of it.
I don't reckon it goes
the
through.
GSX.
Oh, it's got 3 mounting spots to A.
No, that's only.
Is that the other bit?
Yeah.
Mate, you want a rattle gun?
Yeah, maybe a rattle gun or
Half-inch rattle gun, Matt?
Is there a real little bolt or a screwdriver or something?
Small
Like
flat?
his.
Nah, to go through the hole.
Can they fix it?
Push in there.
I'll keep you updated. So Daniel, what happened, mate?
We wrecked it.
You
It
wrecked it.
lasted, I don't know, 4 laps. I think we did 4 laps.
I think you won 4 laps.
I did win. I didn't lose one until it broke.
Mate, you've definitely win the biggest rooster tail award. I'll give you the tip right now. I stood on the other side, stupidly on the downwind side. Moved pretty quick.
Copped it
But,
all in the face.
The sound, mate, is awesome. It is awesome. So chains come off.
Racing, he's got to make it.
Yeah, swing arm pulled sideways, chain come off, went through that case. So we'll have to air freight some parts in.
So,
Yeah,
so that's it for the Suzuki.
I reckon she's all over.
Oh no.
But where can it drop through to?
Does that even work, though?
Nah.
The final. He's got a. Oh, his speed's good. His speed's good. 2 laps. Speed's pretty good. He's got to get through here. This will be the hardest bit for him. He's got her. He's got her.
Not bad, 29.
Got it.
Yeah, Matt didn't get a number up.
Well done. Well done.
Dan's got her. Winner, winner.
About time you won something, Dan.
Yeah, you're right.
Better than fourth, isn't it, Dan?
Yeah.
Well done,
We
mate.
needed one for the weekend.
Well done.
Thank you.
It's going to help out with the tears from the
the
GSX.
You're right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Beautiful. Good game, mate. That was good.
Yeah, you did well to make a challenging short course.
Thanks for explaining it to me. I had no idea what cool.
Good job. Well done, Daniel.
What's your other like posting others?
How'd the R1 go?
Pretty quick. Pretty skinny R1.
Lack of traction in the back wheel was the issue. I did notice.
Check her in.
Hey.
There's a sign. Here it is over here.
What's that?
R1.
Yeah, she's R1. Slight indicator problem, but we don't worry about that here. Dan did well, didn't he?
Dan did very good.
That was great.
Beat the trial
value.
bike. I was impressed by that.
Yeah, yeah. Awesome. Lunch break, mate.
Let's do it.
So now we've got the grass track. Guys are just doing a cider lap for the grass track. There goes Matthew. It's a little dusty. So we've got Daniel, Jordan and Mackie in this one. 3 KTMs and some dude on a Kawasaki. Don't know how many laps, I think 2. And they're off. Mackie into the first bend. Oh, Dan's fighting back. Mackie's still got the lead. And off he goes. Jordan's running 4th. Oh, they're neck and neck. Oh, oh. Mackie's got the lead now. He's having a crack. There he comes. Mackie's well and truly in the lead. Oh, Dan could fight back here though. He's got that a bit wide. He's having a crack up the inside. Ah, he's on the horn. There he goes. Hey, he's got him now. Mackie's got this. There comes Jordan. Mackie's got the lead. 2 laps. Comes the dude on the KXer. Oh, look out, Dan's trying to get him on the outside. Does go. Dan's gone wide. It's a wonder Jordan can see with that dust. Alright, at the back, Dan's got the lead now over Mackie. Can Mackie get it back? Mackie's looking for somewhere to go. Dan's got him at the moment. Oh, Mackie's dropped behind a bit now. He's having a good crack though. Dan's having a go.
Come on, Mackie.
Dan's got the lead here.
Go, Mackie.
Mackie's going to struggle. Dan's got a handy lead. Mackie's second.
Jordan.
Dan takes it out. Mackie second. Jordan third. So we've got Riley, Dan and Mackie third. Mackie's a long way back. There's Mackie in the dust. Oh, Dan's having a crack. She's dusty. And I think Mackie's going to try and do a Stephen Bradbury. If these two go down, he'll jump through for the win. Oh, Dan's wrestled through. Dan, Riley, Mackie. Dan gets it, Riley second, Mackie third, but unfortunately out.
Take off, and two of them took off.
Another win, mate.
Another one.
Another
Just
win.
add it to the book.
Grass track.
Grass track and whatever it was called, sprint.
Sprint.
You know, the big 250.
And
It was
a
out of that start line well.
Third in the enduro.
Yeah. Oh no,
And,
second in the slalom.
and second in the slalom and third in the enduro yesterday.
That wasn't guilt,
You might get the
that was
overall.
interest.
We're out there playing with the big guys.
That's it. Second from this fella, second.
First loser.
Hey?
First loser.
First loser. Oh dear.
I'm done with bikes.
So, that's the Spoke Motorbike Festival. Swansea, if you get a chance next year, come down because great fun. You know, very dirt bike orientated, obviously, but you get that. Yeah, lots of young fellas having a crack. They're not scared. Time to head home now. Going a bit earlier so I don't have to deal with the roo like I did this morning. Well, we're back home. Whew. So, made it safe all the way from Mayfield Estate in Swansea. But yeah, Spoke Motorbike Festival. How cool was that? It was good. The boys enjoyed their racing and I enjoyed watching them. But anyway, enjoy.
Oh, hi, babe.
Hello.
Did you get the milk?